Inflation has scared the whole world. Prospects of an economic slowdown have increased. So in these hard times, there are loads of tailwinds for gold. On top of that, central banks across the world are increasing their gold reserves. Still, even after all these factors, gold prices are on the decline. In the last 2 weeks, gold prices declined by more than 1,800 rupees. Even after lower prices and bullish factors, even exchange-traded funds of gold are selling their gold reserves. Gold exchange-traded funds across the world have sold their gold for the third consecutive month in July. This year, until April, gold ETFs had more than 3,874 tons of gold reserves. But by the end of July, the reserve declined to 3,708 tons. Out of this, 81 tons were sold just in July. Although gold ETFs are selling, central banks took advantage of this and increased their buying of gold. RBI was also a major buyer of gold in July when it bought 13.4 tons of gold. The total gold reserve reached a record high of 783.1 tons. Not only the central bank, but even in the spot market, demand for gold has increased. One of the major gold exporters, Switzerland, exported more than 80 tons of gold in July to China, the biggest consumer of gold. This is the biggest export from Switzerland to China in over 5 years. But despite all of this, buying by China and central banks across the world, the gold price has declined instead of increasing. Experts feel that a strong dollar is a reason for this. Renisha Chainani says that this year, in the inflationary and economic slowdown environment, the dollar has emerged as a better alternative. Due to this, the dollar has become stronger. For the same reason, gold ETFs are selling gold and increasing their investment in dollar. However, Renisha believes that gold can rise in the long term. Due to this, central banks all over the world are increasing their reserves. Looking at the previous trend of gold, its price has increased during economic turmoil. So, even this time, it is expected that inflation and the economic slowdown will support the price in the long term.